Factoring polynomials is the same as factoring any other number. So if you had 12, the factors would be 2 times 2 times 3. And when we're factoring polynomials, we're basically doing the same thing. So we're just finding factors to multiply each other with to get the main expanded polynomial. So for A, we have 8x plus 4. The first step we want to do when factoring any polynomials is removing the most common factor. So for both terms, the largest common factor is 4. So we remove that. We factor it out, and we get 2x plus 1. Now basically what this is the opposite of distribution. Because distribution would be distributing the 4 into all of these terms to get 8x plus 4. And we basically did the opposite of that when we were factoring it. Now for B, we have x squared plus 6x is equal to 8. This is a quadratic because the highest degree is 2. And also the a value is equal to 1. So that means it could be written as x2 plus x a plus b plus a times b, and that would be the same as this function. That basically means that we have to find two numbers that multiply to get 6. Add to get 6. So a plus b is equal to 6, and multiply to get 8. So a times b is equal to 8. The two numbers that could do that are 4 and 2. That means we just substitute 4 into A and 2 into B. That means we would get x plus 4 times x plus 2. Because the expanded form can be written as x plus a times x plus b. It could also be written as that, and that's how I got x plus 4 times x plus 2. Now for C, it's 2x squared minus x minus 6. So like the first question, which is part A, we have to remove the largest common factor from all of these terms. However, we can't really do that because the largest common factor is just 1. So the next step is to separate the 1x. And what I mean by that is rewriting it as an addition statement. So it would look like this instead. This would mean that 8x plus bx is equal to negative x, or in other words, a plus b is equal to negative 1. That means we have to find two numbers that add to negative 1, but also have factors found in 2. So a has factors in 2, and b has factors found in 6. Negative 4 has a factor which is found in 2, and positive 3 has a factor which is found in 6. So the numbers would be, so that means the numbers would be negative 4 and positive 3. Next, we would just factor these two separately. So we just group them up and factor these like any other polynomial. So that would be 2x minus 4 plus 3 minus 6. The largest common factor in 2x squared minus 4x is 2x. And the largest factor in 3x minus 6 is 3. If both of these brackets are the same, then you could also rewrite it as these two in one bracket and this as one bracket. So 2x, there's a positive sign there, but we don't write it. So that would be addition. And then the other bracket. And that's basically it.